Hi, welcome to Hexus TV. I'm Parm. I'm here today with Shelley Raja, Managing Director of Scan Computers. Hi Shelley, how are you?
Good. Good, busy.
It's good to hear.
Yeah.
So things are looking good?
Things are looking good.
Okay, we're here today inside your performance build area where you build your
high-end
turnkey systems. Yeah,
exactly.
Tell us a bit more about this process.
Yeah, this is quite new as well. We've had to redo and re-expand this room because of the volume that we now have. And it's not just any area in the building that we just build in.
Yeah.
It's actually designed, spec'd to a standard, to actually an ISO standard. I think it's ISO 14,000 something. The flooring, for example, is quite expensive. It's safety flooring with a very high level of anti-static. This we thought was quite necessary and will take out a lot of future problems. The benches, again, they're all spec'd out to do the level of systems we do that give all our guys one big bench each to work with. Everything is super anti-static, as you can see with the blue mats.
Yeah.
Even the air conditioning
is temperature controlled.
Yeah. The guys are happy. Winter, summer, heating, cool.
Okay.
This does make a big difference with the anti-static side. People don't understand anti-static to the level we take it. It's quite serious. Works okay this week, 3 weeks, 4 weeks down the line, that's when the anti-static kicks in. Dead system. We don't really now cater for the low end, what we call low end, which is the sort of 300, 400, 500 pound system. Our customers, again, look to us to supply them with more mid to high end.
Yeah.
So our PCs will generally start from around 700, 800 pounds and go right up to silly numbers, 5,000 pounds, 10,000 pounds. The most average being around 1,500 pounds.
Yeah.
And we still stick to our philosophy on price and quality. That's what we're good at, it's what we've always done. So we give you the price, performance, quality for that section, we think at the best price.
Okay, what makes your systems different? What's unique about your systems?
We're not just a regular system builder, we're innovative.
Okay.
We always have been. People know us for that. So our relationships with our vendors, we pick out the cream of the crop in every component before it even goes into a system. My guys will play with it, make sure it's right, tested, performed, because when we build a PC at the end of it, that's what makes it all happen.
Okay, we can see that happening at the moment. You've got a whole line of scan systems here. What's happening to those?
Well, as you can see just from the chassis only, you can see that they're all pretty high performance PCs and things. So we're in this section here, which is one section only. We have another 2 sections like this. All these PCs you see in the back are all being tested for quality, performance, burn-in basically. These will all be delivered sometime next week. Okay. We do a 24 to 48 hour no messing type test. Right. Really strenuous test. We have a big server in the back somewhere over there that's actually bombing these things with things they normally do.
Yeah.
So the gaming side, the graphics side, the memory side, the motherboard side, the overclocking side, it's all happening as we speak. And the monitors you see on top of them are connected to our server. All the software is preloaded by the server systems, and that's how it works basically.
Okay, how long does it take generally to turn around a single system?
We're not fast, admittedly, but there's a reason behind that. It's all done to such a quality now. Even our customers are so happy about that. If it takes time, it takes time, but it's got to be done because we're very conscious on our warranty side, on our failure rate. Right, our failure rate is less than 1%.
Yeah.
Okay. So for that reason, I would say about 7 days max from order. But in that process, you will be kept up by email as a customer who picked the stock, who built the system, who softwared the system. As it happens, you get an email. So you know exactly where in the production line what's happening to your system.
Okay, that's quite interesting. It's
absolutely
unique for
nobody does it. We know it, nobody does it.
Okay, going off on a tangent here, we've got something here called eScan. This is something new to Scan. Tell us a little bit about this.
Actually, eScan is a range of antivirus products, simply speaking, but they do all the high end to the low end. We have a similar name, It's nothing to do with Scan Computers.
Okay.
They are also called eScan. We are called Scan.
How did the two companies get to know
the
each
two
other?
companies actually got together, believe it or not, at a holiday resort.
A jolly up.
It wasn't a jolly up. One of my guys was attending a wedding in a hotel.
Right, okay.
Their boss was also in this hotel at the time. They got talking, and that's how it all happened. So they're actually an American company,
Right.
based in Silicon Valley in USA,
Yeah.
and Mumbai in India. We being Indian, we got chatty, and that's how it all happened, really.
Okay.
So-
Now you're telling me that they're one of the biggest names in computer security in India and across Asia.
Yeah. Southeast Asia, they're pretty much number 2, number 3
Right,
at the
okay.
moment. Number 1 is Norton, just like it is here. Number 2, Kaspersky.
Okay.
Number 3 for them is eScan.
Okay, so they've come to you obviously to increase their UK presence. What do you have in store for them?
We, as a retailer, we do all the other brands as usual.
Yeah.
But we've actually tested this software, looked at it. It's very, very good. It's very, very underrated, understated, and we're very happy with it. We've actually chosen eScan to be our standard AV platform
Right, okay.
for end users' recommendations for all our systems. Does the job. The thing we like about it is they give you endpoint security, which a lot of the others charge
Yeah.
for. Endpoint security, just for the guys who don't know, is where you stick USBs, other products into your machine.
Yeah.
It will tell you that, you know, this is happening. So at the point it can warn you, or you can disable it or enable it. Very good, actually.
Okay,
So-
next week as well, Microsoft launches Windows 7.
Yeah.
And you've got a little promotion going
Yeah,
with this.
we've done a deal, as we say, courtesy of eScan guys, Microworld in America. They're going to donate and put together for us, for only the first 1,000 customers who buy any of the Windows SKUs, professional or any of them, the copy of ISS, completely for free,
Right,
bundled.
okay.
So I
That's
mean, we
their
sell
Internet
it for
Security
£15,
Right,
so it's not a cheap product. It's in line with everyone else.
yeah.
And we're bundling that with any Windows SKU for the first 15,
first
the
1,000.
first 1,000 customers,
okay.
online, collection, across the board.
Okay, that is eScan security software coming soon from Scan. Stay tuned for the full review on hexus.net.